Hello, my name is Brian. I'm a recent graduate working for Azure ML, but I'm also an experienced tutor and I've taught all levels of computer science. Here's a panorama I took in 2015. I founded a game design summer camp with my high school programming teacher, Mrs. Anwar. This camp gave me the opportunity to work one-on-one with middle school students as they started learning their first programming language. This experience let me hone in on the pitfalls that many young programmers face. So I wanted to hack on this problem area. How do we get the next generations of students into computer science as early and effectively as possible? Enter BitNaughts, the gamified Rosetta Stone of programming. BitNaughts is a competitive programming video game. Players can create ships and code them with BitNaughts' custom assembly language. They can control thrusters, gimbals, sensors, and more, all with a few lines of easy-to-write assembly code. Playing BitNaughts, there's no such thing as an error, only an unexpected result. This was inspired by our summer camp when we helped students code their games. Typos that caused their character to fly off screen violently were way more exciting to them than compile time syntax errors. Visual bugs proved to be an invaluable tool in teaching students to root cause what's going on. Thus, BitNaughts seeks to visualize the debugging process as much as possible, helping players learn while having fun making mistakes. BitNaughts executes its assembly language via string interpolation implemented in C# and visualized in Unity 3D. BitNaughts also excitingly runs on the Surface Duo to leverage dual-screen UI/UX functionalities. Here we see the game in action. As the ship flies forward, it is using a sensor to detect for asteroids. When it gets too close to one, the ship adjusts its rotation by thrust vectoring. You can see the current instruction being executed on the left in red, as well as the states of all the ship's components. BitNaughts allows students to learn at their own pace, with plenty of time to play around with what they've mastered. In the end, BitNaughts aims to make computer science a more palatable, inviting experience, taking away the intimidation that so many newcomers experience. That's all I have. I hope you enjoyed. Please check out BitNaughts on GitHub to play the demo created during the hackathon. I'm also actively looking for open source collaborators, so please reach out if you're interested in the project.